Paintbrushes, screwdriver, gardening gloves. Yeah. Too much. Gotta go. I wish we had an area to do composting. I was thinking about saving the sheet, but I'm thinking, maybe just get another one because I have lots of old sheets. So if I do it this way, it just makes life a little bit easier. And I'm like, why not make it easier on myself? We don't have to do things the hard way, baby. Oh no. Oh my God, I'm proud of myself, y'all. Look at that. And it didn't even take much. All I had was to be willing to let go of some of the things that I have there. My God, that was much easier than I expected. Excited. Oh my God, I'm so silly sometimes. But I can't help myself. I love me and somebody else. I gotta go dustpan. I'll be back. Let me bring out my old dustpan. If anyone just came in, welcome in. I'll come check the chat in a moment. Ooh, this is dusty. Let that dust fly up for a little bit before I go back in that area. Oh my goodness. Some like fine dust, I think it got under the wood or something. Whew. For those of you in the Caribbean, it's almost like when, wood ants kind of like eats away or gnaws away at your wood. That's what it looks like.